Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our channel, your one-stop place to improve English in a fun and easy way. In today's video, we're going to practice simple English questions and answers on everyday topics like hometown, hobbies, school, and daily life. These are common topics in English-speaking tests and conversations, so make sure you listen carefully and repeat after me. Speak with me, pause when needed, and try to give your own answers too. The more you practice, the better your English will get. Ready? Let's begin. What is your favorite flower? My favorite flower is the rose. I love its color and smell. Do you like giving flowers to people? Yes, I enjoy giving flowers. They make people happy. Do you grow flowers at home? Yes, I have some plants in my garden. I water them every day. Which flower smells the best to you? I think jasmine smells the best. It is sweet and refreshing. Do you buy flowers often? I buy flowers on special occasions. They make celebrations beautiful. Why do you like flowers? I like flowers because they bring color and joy to life. They make places look pretty. Which colors of flowers do you like? I like red, white, and yellow flowers. They look bright and colorful. Do you think flowers make good gifts? Yes, flowers are lovely gifts. They show care and love. Which flower do you see the most around your area? I see marigold flowers the most. They are used in many festivals.
Would you like to visit a flower garden? Yes, I would love to visit one. It would be peaceful and beautiful.
Great job, everyone. You did amazing practice today. Remember, learning English is all about daily speaking. So, try answering these questions about your own life again after this video. You can even comment your answers below. I love reading them. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel for more English practice videos every week. Keep learning, keep smiling, and I'll see you in the next video.